guys, so my family sent me a package, so we're gonna open it. Let's see. Hold on. Okay, so as you can see right here, it was $148.70 to ship. So let's open it up. Okay, first bag off. We're in! Okay. So I ordered some mullein leaf. Y'all can see the mullein. This is so good. If you are a smoker, if you are sick, if you have anything at all whatsoever going on with your throat, mullein. I don't know what y'all thought was gonna be in here, but it's a bunch of herbs and food. So I hope y'all ready. Mullein. Okay, yeah. And some deodorant. This is my deodorant. This is the one that I was using before I left the States. So I wanted to get a couple of these. They last really, really long. I feel like this one thing probably lasts like 6 months. So I got 2 of them. Okay, what else we got? Ugh. Oh, my cookies! Okay, so if you're from Virginia, specifically Richmond, you know that you crops is So I'm a foodie, right? I don't care. When you a foodie, you don't care how you get it. It's like a drug. You gonna get it how you live. So I got my family, and they're a little crumbled, but I got my family to give me, they sent me these rainbow cookies. I love these freaking cookies. They used to send them to me in California all the time from Virginia. So they sent them to Thailand. So let me show y'all the top. That's probably a lot better. And then if y'all could see, they're just these little rainbow cookies. It's a whole little box thing, yo. So hard. Also, if you notice, I asked my family to wrap everything in little Ziploc baggies. If your people are sending you things, a bunch of like dry goods, right? Like the deodorant probably would have been fine. Look how hard it is to take this off. Yeah, that would have been fine outside of a Ziploc bag. But y'all see what happened to the cookies, right? So the Ziploc bag was a lifesaver because that means there would have been cookies all over the inside of this thing. So this was a lifesaver. And let's say this popped. It just would have had all of the mullein in this bag instead of all over here. So, I always suggest telling them to just put it in Ziploc bags. It just makes everything a lot easier. So this, once again, is echinacea. Let me see if I can. So, because I'm doing a lot of traveling, because I'm away from home, because I am, you know, moving and shaking on the public transportation, which I didn't really do a lot of back home. I had cars back home, so I'm a driver. I will go drive to get my pickup order from the corner store. I will go drive to the corner store. Like, don't play with me. I'm not used to this. My body is not used to being around this much people. And I feel like I just been a little under the weather. My energy's been down, so I just wanted to get some echinacea. Get it going. I'm a tea girly, so I make herbal teas, actual tea herbs. I make spiritual teas. So I bought a lot of this stuff in bulk. One, so it could last me the whole time, but so that I can make like teas with it and everything while I'm here because business is still running. Next. Okay, I'm gonna save this one for last, but I'm gonna show y'all this. So I wanted some stovetop. Thanksgiving is gonna be coming eventually, which I know is like, dang, you planning for November? Where's the expiration date on here? Not that it matters. May 2026. So yes, this is gonna be for Thanksgiving because I'm gonna be here for Thanksgiving. I didn't know if they were gonna have it or what that was gonna look like. So I really like the savory herb. And it's not like a big deal if I don't get the savory herb, but that's my preference. Yeah. Golden Grams! I have been wanting some cereal. The packages of cereal here. Oops! Okay, the boxes of cereal here, they like this big. They like little tiny. Let me go get the cereal. Hold on. So this is the difference in the boxes of cereal. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cereal has no nutritional value. That's some they sold to Americans. The whole vitamin D thing back in the 60s or 70s or whenever the hell they did that. I get it. Or maybe it was the 80s. Either way, I know what you're gonna say. That doesn't change the fact that I love eating this as like a dessert. So after dinner, sometimes I eat a bowl of cereal. It's like 2 bowls. I'm over here siphoning Fruit Loops, and this thing, this little tiny box of Fruit Loops, cost me $5. Sorry, 100 grams. Okay, let's see what's next. Golden Grams, my bad. Let's see how they squished. Oh no, they not. They good. Just the box. Ew. Okay. So I love to bake. I love baking bread. I love making cinnamon rolls. I love making cookies. I love baking all the things, right? So, here, I feel like I went to the store and these were like $3 or $4 a pack. It's like 79 cents. Maybe it was more than $4. And I think you only got one of them. I think they were like $3 or $4 for one little thing. And this whole thing was like 79 cents. So I got this. Oh, I also be making pizza, homemade pizza. And I also be making pancakes. Not for the pancakes, this is yeast. But it just goes into my whole baking conversation. Okay, so this, y'all can see. Spirulina. This was actually really expensive. And I thought this was a way bigger pack. Like I thought this was this big, which I didn't read that right clearly because, yeah. So this is probably gonna get finished by the end of the month, to be completely honest with you. So if you are coming from the States and you're gonna be in Bangkok, can you buy me some blue spirulina and bring it to me? I'll give you the money. Just let me know. I'll order it from Amazon, ship it to your house. You won't even have to pay for the product. Just bring it to me when we come. Thank you in advance. Okay, so look. These, I don't know. Baby, let me tell you, when I came the first time and I saw they were charging $3, $4 for this, I was like, oh no. For the taco, for the chili, not paying no $3, $4. So I got a couple of these. And then this is also one of my little herbal things, juniper berries. Lots of herbal benefits too. Make sure you look these up. Little ASMR for you. But yes, juniper berries. Get organic, non-GMO, as much stuff as I could possibly find. This is what my aunt was concerned about. Now, if you're from the South, you already know that this is one of those things that's just non-replaceable. And yes, I got two. Because it don't matter what version of mayonnaise you use, nothing's gonna taste like Miracle Whip. I love Miracle Whip. I'm so hyped. I bought tuna fish, but I didn't bring any Miracle Whip. And once I got here, I was like, babe, are you gonna eat regular mayo? And I tried it. I ain't like it. So we got 2 containers of Miracle Whip. I'm real hype about this. Cause y'all know tuna fish is a real good, like, all right, let me just go make something real quick meal. You know what I'm saying? Put some boiled eggs up in there. Amazing. Question, Midgie, because my aunt's asking. The Miracle Whip. And shout out to my aunt. She did an amazing job packing all of this stuff. I got all of this stuff sent to her house. She did an amazing job packing it up and sending it to me. Love you long time. And shout out to my family for helping her pay the shipping and everything because eek. So, I gotta get Lawry's. There's seasoning salt here. They got the little small thing of Lawry. I need a big one. I don't really know what else to say. I don't really have no deeper explanation. Turmeric now. Can I get turmeric powder here? Yes. See, that shit was expensive. And I need a lot. Because I want to make, I make turmeric soap. I make turmeric like face wash. And I make, so I am a DIY, organic, raw, healthy girly. So anything I can make that I know is going to have like good, clean ingredients, I will. So we got this organic turmeric powder. And then this, baby, this. So bay leaves, I actually use these for spiritual purposes. Now, will I probably put them in a recipe or two? Probably. But bay leaves are very good for like writing your like affirmations and your wants and your wishes and your goals and everything on them. So I'm going to be doing a lot of manifesting. So I ordered these two. Okay. Next. Flax seeds, ground flax seeds specific. Once again, I'm a DIY girly. If y'all know anything about flax seeds, you know that flaxseed gel is really good for your hair. I want to get back on trying to like define my curls and stuff. I feel like they're just a little dull. They could be a little more defined and juicy and moisturized and everything. So I'm going to be doing some treatments with the flaxseed gel. And then this, so if y'all are Trader Joe's fans, I miss Trader Joe's. Y'all are Trader Joe's, hit me up if y'all could figure out a way to ship some stuff to Thailand. Babe. So if y'all are Trader Joe's girlies, y'all know that they have like that chili garlic crumble stuff. So I couldn't find the Trader Joe's version of it, but I found this version. Looks pretty chunky. This is called crunchy garlic with chili oil. And I got the mild one because even though I like a little spice, I don't want my lips to be burning. And I couldn't find this here. Funny enough, being here, you would think that because it's like I don't know, maybe I just didn't look at the right place, right? I very well just could have looked at all of the wrong stores, but I've been looking everywhere for this because I love putting it on my salmon. I have the dry version, but the wet version really soaks into like the salmons and the meat. So, okay. This is the last thing in the bag. Outside of that thing I told y'all that I was gonna wait to show y'all later. So that's gonna be last. This is the rosemary leaf, which is really, really good. It's a herb. Once again, for my teas, there's lots of leaves that you can use for tea. I like rosemary. I have some mint already in there. I have lots of herbs and stuff already in there. But this is just some stuff I didn't have. So, and for the best thing in the whole bag. The best thing in the whole bag. My family sent me pictures. I love it. I'm gonna put them all up over my house. My aunt, my uncle, my nephew, my sister, my grandma. Oh, my baby, he looks so big. Oh. That's me and my godson. Oh, one of them. I was such a baby and so fat. Y'all lost so much weight. I used to be like 160. Like 125, maybe 130, dripping wet now. So I was like 30 pounds lighter. This was me 30 pounds heavier. I love pictures, y'all. Anybody who knows me knows I am a sentimental, super sentimental person. You literally can spend $0 and get me the best gift ever. All of my pictures, love everything. Thanks, family. If y'all don't got no good family, you know what I'm saying, who gonna look out for y'all get out of the country, y'all better get you one. Y'all better get you one of them.